Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your Android phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your watch, or rather from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the SUUNTO application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the SUUNTO application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon right here at the top. And on this page, you should see your SUUNTO Run. Wait until it's done syncing with your phone. And once it's done, you can scroll down and look for the option called Notifications on Watch. And once you tap on it, and then tap to try to turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch, it will bring you probably this message. Basically, if you don't have the required permissions allowed for the notifications to work, you will need to allow them. And you can do that by tapping on allow, and if you see more pop-ups, allow them as well, and then try to turn on the notifications again, and it should enable. And here we can customize the settings for our notifications. First, we can tap on Application Notifications, and here you have the list of apps you can turn on or off the notifications for. And how it works is basically, if you turn on the notifications, let's say for the messages, and you receive the notification from the messages on your phone, that notification will be also displayed on your watch. But if you disable it, it won't be displayed on your watch, it will be only visible on your phone. And as you can see, this list is a bit limited, but it will fill in with the applications once you receive the notifications from them after you install the SUUNTO application. So right now I don't have a Discord on this list, but if I send myself a message on Discord and I receive the notification from it, let's try that. Okay, we got the notification, and I open the app now and go to the notifications on watch. The Discord will appear on the list. And then if you don't like it, you can disable it if you want to. Okay, next we have the call notifications. You can turn them on or off by tapping on the switch. Again, if you see any pop-ups about the permissions, allow them. Then we have the messages, and below we have the quick replies, and you can, I believe, tap on one to edit it if you want to. Okay, so at this point the notifications are enabled, and once your watch is synced with your phone, it's just that it's connected, you should be able to receive them. So again, I can basically send myself a message on Discord, and I should receive that notification on my watch. And as you can see, it is here. If you miss the notification on your watch, I believe you can swipe down. No, not down. Is it up? Okay, so it's up or down, and then you need to scroll through the menu. Tap on all apps. Is it like this? No. So it should be like this. What if we open the control panel? Yeah, control panel, my bad. So you need to open the control panel, then tap on notifications, and here you have the notification panel, and you can basically check your notifications if you want to. And once you're done, you can press the lower button to go back. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.